There's different laws between residential and commercial property, and hey, everybody's internet's favorite lawyer, and yeah, there absolutely are. You see, in both instances, both commercial and residential property is private property. So who can come there and what you can do while you're there, those rules can be set by the people that own the property. I don't need permission to enter a business like I do need permission to, say, into your home, because the business is open for business. But once I'm on the business's property, I have basically agreed to follow by their rules, and they can tell me if I can film or if I can talk or what I'm allowed to do while I'm on their property. And if I don't abide by their rules, they can ask me to leave. And generally speaking, they're not allowed to exclude general members of the public if they are open to the public based on sex or gender or race or ethnicity or, age against older people. Remember, age discrimination really only works up, not down. Now, with private property, like personal, non-commercial private property, you may exclude anyone you wish for any reason, no matter what. Protected class rules don't apply to physical personal private property such as a residence or a boat or land that you own and you don't hold open to the public. I'm not saying it's right to discriminate against people. What I am saying is, if you have land and you say, I don't want anyone on it unless they're related to me, right? I just don't want anyone who's not 7'2" with blue hair ever on this farm. Well, then you can exclude everyone that isn't those people. Your land, you have the right to exclude others from it for your own personal enjoyment. In fact, that's part of the definition of private property. Your inability to exclude others from your land can sometimes turn your land into public property, or at least give the public the right to access your property. For example, if you have land and it's in between a school and you let all the kids cross through your yard back and forth to the school, and they do that for 5 or 10 years, and then someone comes along and says, I don't want to do that anymore, and puts up a fence, you've lost your ability to do that because you failed to exclude those people from the use of your property, and they have now gained the rights to use that path to get to school. That is called an easement.